Hey guys, it's Gavin Mountford here, founder of Networking Superstars. Now I wanted to record this video to address a problem that's been happening with Empower Network, and I know that there's a lot of Empower Network bloggers within the Networking Superstars. There's been a lot of debate, a lot of discussion, a lot of people getting worried about what they should do with regards to your Empower Network blog. And nobody seems to know what to do for the best. So let me just give you my insights, having worked online for 7 years. So right now, Facebook has basically banned Empower Network. So you can't click links, you can't comment using the comments, you can't use the apps, etc., etc. So you can't use Facebook at all to promote your Empower Network blog. Now, there's a couple of ways around this, which they're not necessarily quick fixes. I think probably what's going to happen, Dave or the Empower Network team are probably going to enable WordPress comments on the Empower Network blogs, but you probably still won't be able to share on Facebook. Now, I know that they're in the process of appealing against the Facebook ban, which they may overcome, they may not, I don't know. So those things are in the pipeline, but what can you do immediately? Well, as I say, there's two things you can do. One, you can within Networking Superstars, you can still use your Empower Network blog if you want to, and other people can share it on Google Plus, and they can share it on Twitter. Now, obviously, they're not going to be able to share it on Facebook or comment on it because of the comments ban and because of the sharing. You can't do that at all. So what you could do is, as I say, get people to like it and not like it, to share it on Google Plus and to share it on Twitter. So you can still do some kind of syndication, but the purpose is getting comments. Now, the second thing, which is kind of against what Empower Network stands for anyway, but what I've done right from the start, what I've taught my team to do, and that is to always have your own personal blog as well. So mine is gavinmountford.com. Many people use their name. Sometimes they have their own business or brand, but you always have yourself as the central location, effectively. Your central hub is your own personal blog. And then what you do is you have all these other businesses or affiliate opportunities or your own products pointing off that blog. So your blog is your central hub where you drive traffic to, and then from there you send traffic around to different places. Now, the great thing with Empower Network is it's easy to set up a blog. It's actually easy to set up a WordPress blog as well, and there's plenty of tutorials online. In fact, if you go to Google and just type in Gavin Mountford blog setup, you'll find a tutorial, or if you go to my blog or even post a comment below this, maybe I'll give you the link for that as well, so you can learn exactly how to set up your blog. But have your own blog if you can. If you have to, set up a free WordPress blog or a free Blogger blog in the meantime, and then what you can do is you can bring in that blog to the Networking Superstar, so we can comment, we can share, we can syndicate your blog and your content. And then what happens is people come on over to that blog, they get to know you without any pressure to join a business opportunity like Empower Network or anything else. And then they go off to all these other places as you provide more value to people up front, and then drive the traffic and the visitors and the prospects to those pages. So that's a little bit, maybe a little bit more time consuming. It may take you a little bit longer to do, but that's the best solution, because Empower Network may not be here next year. It may not be here in 2 years. It may not be here next month. Businesses change, things happen, companies disappear, but you will remain. Your blog will stay the same. If you have your own central location, if you switch business, if you change opportunity, everything's not branded and kind of reliant upon that business. So that is my professional advice, my recommendation from having 7 years worth of experience full-time working online and kind of seeing these things from a higher level. My whole team have their own blogs as well. So if you have any questions, or in fact, leave me a comment below, because I'd love to know your thoughts and exactly what you're going to do about this, because it is going to get fixed at some point, but something needs to happen in the meantime. So this is Gavin Mountford here. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.